Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So before we start na, please do know na meron pa tayong isa pang channel. Ang link ay nasa description box. So yun nga, na bago natin alamin ang inyong mga kaganapan or mga mensahe na dapat mong malaman, Cancer, that will just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. Ibig sabihin, you can switch roles. Kasi general reading naman ito, no, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. Malaya ka, gamitin yan. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go ahead and check these messages here for my Cancerian people. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. What do we have here for my Cancerian people? Can you please show me? Let me just gather the right energies here for ya, guys. What do we have here for Cancer? Spirits and Angel Guides for Cancer, please. Tell me something about Cancer. What are the things they need to know? What are the things they need to look forward to? Cancer. Alam mo, iniisip ko rito, no? Maaaring may sabihin sa yung plano yung boss mo at kung ano man yung supportahan mo siya. Kasi nakikita ko na magbe-benefit ka rin dun. Related sa work or related sa pera, no? Business partner mo man yun or boss mo, no? Meron siyang plano. Tapos pag yun ikwinento niyo sa'yo, no? Nakita ko rito na kailangan mong supportahan yun kasi magbubunga yun ng positibo, no? So, maaambunan ka ng pera, no? Yung nakita ko rito. So, ilatag na muna natin lahat para malaman ng iba pang mga pwede mong malaman. Ten of Wands, Knight of Cups, Queen of Wands. In love, you could be dealing with someone younger than you. Nabubulol. Nabubulol kasi that person will be confessing his or her love for you. Like, expressive talaga, no? I like you, Cancer. Gusto kita, Cancer. Anong gusto mo, Cancer? Bili ka ta ng ice cream. Anong favorite mo? Vanilla, strawberry, banana, yan, mga ganun. So, very expressive, no? Gusto mo ng coffee, bibilin kita niyan, no? Anong gusto mo merienda mamaya? Ganun siya. Yan. So we also have here this Five of Wands and the Five of Swords. You could be doing here a lot of changes here, and I think it has something to do with walking away about something. Pero yung iba na may mga pagbabago rito na dapat mong paghandaan. Yan, no? So maaring challenging ito kasi nakikita ko rito na posibleng mapagod ka. Yan, pero keep on walking away. Okay? Yung iba nakikita ko may options kayo rito when it comes to love. I'm seeing two energies coming towards you. And for some reason, isa na dyan, yung mapapangasawa mo talaga. So, nakita ko rito yung mga energies na pwede talaga mga babes, no, na isa sa mga pangyayaring magbabago sa buhay mo ay ang love life mo. Yan, no? To the point na posibleng mahirapan kasi pagpili sa dalawa na yan, no, or two or more options man kayo when it comes to love. Pero nakita ko rito na kung sino-sino man dito, no, yung mga energies na makaka-resonate. You've got here two people na mahihirapan kang mamili. Pero maganda, isa na dyan, no, yung mapapangasawa mo, no. At dahil nga nasabi ko na yon, no, nakita ko rito na kung sino yung mapipili siyang iyong mapapangasawa. Medyo mahihirapan ka lang mamili, no? Kasi medyo dikit ang laban. Yun na nakikita ko dito. Ibig sabihin, they are both embodying yung pagiging wife or husband material. They are both nice people. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito that you will end up choosing the one that you will marry with Cancer. So, yun nga mga babes na maliban dyan, I'm seeing that there is something here na hindi mo pa nakikita ngayon, pero an opportunity will show up right here. No opportunity when it comes to money will show up if you decide to move away from something no longer beneficial with you. And I think it has something to do with walking away from something that hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, toxic, no? May attachment ka pero it's unhealthy attachment. So you need to detach yourself from that. Cut whatever that is, wedding ties with someone who drained your energy. And when you do that, moon card energy, ace of coins, an opportunity in money, okay, a start in money will start to show up in your life, Cancer, no? So, maaari magsimula kayo rito, no, sa pagkakaroon ng magandang oportunidad sa sa area ng kaperahan or ng inyong money. So, I'm seeing an opportunity right here. So, I mag-focus. Yan. So, you need to focus here in moving away from something here na hindi nakakatulong sa yung life. You need to move forward. Aside from that, I'm seeing you, Cancer, that with the 10 of Wands energy, 5 of Wands to this 5 of Swords, I'm seeing na posibleng tampulan ka ngayon ng mga chismis na marami rito ang taong nag-uusap tungkol sa'yo. Okay, don't mind these people here. Kahit na yung mga sinasabi nila no is parang hindi pwede miss yan, parang hindi ko yun ma marinig or whatever, no? Lalo na kung lapit-lapit lang naman nila sa'yo, no? Alam mga babes na learn to distract yourself kahit maingay. Kahit magulo. Because that's where you can find peace. At pag na-practice mo yun, nasanay ka ng ganun, wala nang makaka-apekto sa'yo. So dito, wala kang dapat na gawin sa sitwasyon na 'to 'no, wag mo sila rito parang intindihin 'no, padaanin mo lang sa tenga mo, okey? Kasi wala naman ding katuturan kung ano yung sinasabi nila rito 'no, maapektuhan lang yung energy mo rito 'no, kasi nakikita ko rito na these people here could be trying to bully you, trying to discourage you about something 'no, don't do, do or do not pay attention with these people here. Kasi posibleng inggit lang sila dito because you're going up. Kasi your hard work is paying off eh. Meron ka ditong ginagawa na magpe-pay off yung pinaghirapan mo. And maybe these people here know that, no? So whoever these individuals, nakikita ko rito, na sila yung mga energies na posibleng walang kabuluhan yung sinasabi nila, pero sinasabi nila yun para ma-discourage ka. And this is not the time for you na ma-discourage because you are almost at the top, sweetheart. You are almost at the top at pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa iyong kaperahan or money goals, no? Ganun talaga pag inggit, hindi nila kayang pumikit at magwalang bahala, no? Gagawa talaga sila rito ng mga paraan, no, na nakaka-distract, no, para may sagawa nila mga maggi-team nila ritong pagpaplano, no, na kunwari wala silang ginagawa rito, no, pero sinasaktan nila yung emosyon sa pamamagitan ng mga pagsasabi ng mga bagay na pinapalala nila yung mga bagay, mga ganun. So, huwag mo silang intindihin, okey? Tuloy-tuloy lang kasi malapit ka na, eh, 'no? Malapit ka na dun sa punto na magtatagumpay ka na sa ginagawa mo. And I think may kinalaman nito sa iyong pangarap related with your coins and money, 'no? Ito oh, chest of gold coins, 'di ba? Malapit ka na diyan sa pangarap mo na 'yan. Ang makapag-ipon ng ganyan kadami, ang makapag-ipon ng malaki, makapagsimula, 'no? Yun ang nakikita ko sa energy mo. Stay grounded, 'no? Huwag kang magpatalo sa mga energies na 'to dahil una sa lahat, hindi ka talunan, okey? The only, pathway that you should take is going up. Yan. So, nakita ko rin dito na seek advices from your friends and families kasi nakikita ko na makakatulong sila sa'yo rito. Lalo na sa mga times na nagiging emotional ka or nadi-discourage ka, no? Always talk with the people here that you love and like you. Like your family, friends, best friend, if you have your special person, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, then talk to them. Just listen to them. Do not listen with these draining energies over here. Okay? Kasi these people here, they're just trying to pick up fight here. They're trying to do some kind of dirty moves para ikaw mismo yung bumaba dyan sa trono mo. But you're almost at the top. You're almost at the top, sweetheart. Yung nakikita ko rito. Isa sa mga pagbabago na sinasabi ko kanina ay ang pagbabago rin sa pera mo. So, nakikita ko dito na may nilalaban ka, nakakapagod to deal with these people here. They're draining your energy, but at the same time, don't get distracted. Focus on your dreams and goals. That's what you need to do. That's what you have to do. And everything here, you'll see this chest of gold coins. These are all yours, not theirs, diba? Hindi sa kanila, sa iyo yan, no? So, whoever are those energies, Cancer, resonating here in this reading, I do see that this is you. You are having the spotlight on you. Queen of Wands energy. Be confident about yourself. Maniwala ka sa skills at kakayahan mo, Cancer, because everything here will definitely unfold right before your eyes. I'm seeing you, yan o ganyan. I'm seeing you right here, dealing with a lot of people. I'm seeing you right here, talking with people around you. You're sharing here your experiences, yung expertise mo, yung skills mo, no? And you're helping these people here na mas ma-inspired sa mga ginagawa nila rito, Cancer, no? And because of that, you are also glowing up. Dahil sa ginagawa mo, mas papaambunin ka pa ni universe dito ng mga magagandang bagay na kailangan mo. Okay? Nakikita ko rin dito na yung love life mo ay gumaganda, no? And this is you. Ang gusto mo kasi pagdating sa love is yung ma-effort. Doesn't have to be na kailangan gumastos, no? Basta yung i-effortan na magka-oras, no? Mahalin ka ng totoo, no? Yung wala sanang magiging iba, no? So, nakikita ko rito na yun yung dumadating sa buhay mo. At yung iba, kung meron na kayong ganun sa buhay ninyo, dumating na yun, nakikita ko na yung tao na yun, eh, mas magpapatuloy pa ang maganda ninyong connection at samahan. That person could be younger looking or younger than you by age, but doesn't have to be. But I do see, Cancer, someone here ready to fight for you, ready to fight for this connection here. This person will see you as the most beautiful person on earth. Queen of Wands energy, that's who you are. You are the sexiest person alive. You are the most attractive individual ever na nakita niya raw sa balat ng earth. And this person will eventually be generous of you. In whatever shape or form, this person will always be there for you. This person will always show up, not just when you're having here a hard time, but when also you feel like you're happy and you want to share your happiness. So I do see that these people will be always around you, guys. So kung sino man to, this is someone who is simple, but I do see that this person here is someone uh, who have lots to offer sa'yo. This person is also doing great, might be permanent na sa kanyang trabaho or stable na sa kanyang trabaho, yung nakikita ko rito. This person here, mabait siya, no? Pero kapag kung sino rito yung mananakit sa'yo, nakikita kong kaya niya mag-iba ng karakter. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi hindi naman siya dito gagawa ng krimen. Pero ang gusto ko lang iparating sa inyo rito na mabait siya, no? Pero pag kayo na yung parang naapektuhan rito or pag may nanakit sa inyo rito, no? Kaya niya ritong mag-iba ng katauhan, no? Yung nakikita ko dito. So, this person here is someone who will protect you, okay? In whatever situation or case pa yan. So, nakikita ko that you've got something great right here happening into your love life. At nakikita ko rin dito na sa mga susunod na mga araw, maaring maging busy ka sa iyong trabaho or sa hobbies or interest mo. Pero nakita ko ng pera. So, posibleng yung hobbies or interest mo, pwedeng i-turn out mo yan na diskarte o business, sideline racket, no? Nakita ko kasi na parang may kapalit yung pera. So, iba, kunwari ganito, yung crafts mo or magaling ka sa clay, no? Gumawa ka ng mga earrings or paso, mga ganyan. And then you benta it, diba? So, nakikita ko na magdudulot yan sa'yo ng pera, no? At mapapansin mo yan. Kasi yung iba, di ba, rumaraket lang kumikita, no? Tapos, okay na, no? Hindi mo masyadong mararamdaman na, ay, ito na pala yung kita ko, no? Pero dito sa ginagawa mo na 'to mararamdaman mo, "Uy, teka parang laki ng kinikita ko dito, teka gawin ko kaya 'tong ano, mainstay na." Mainstay. Yan, gawin ko kaya 'tong permanente, yan nakikita ko sa energy mo, Cancer. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan 'no, medyo may pagka-business minded ang isipan mo 'no, basta related sa pera parang ikaw 'to na excited ka at super willing ka mag-effort 'no, na i-expand ang or i-maximize ang opportunity mo pagdating sa money, coins, pentacles, pera. So, yun nakikita ko rito 'no. So, you really have here, success when it comes to your money and love life as well. So, okay? So, whatever it is that's happening right now, this is part of the changes that your life, is about to experience. So, hold on tight because nakikita ko rito na marami pa rito mga pagbabago na puwedeng mahirap sabayan, nakakapagod sabayan, pero nakikita ko na magiging satisfied ka sa dulo ng lahat ng ito. So yeah, ito ang mga mensahe nakuha ko here for you. Ayun, namatay mga babes. So yun na nga 'no, closing na tayo 'no, 'yan 'no. Saranghaeyo, love and light, and annyeong.